Established in year 2007, Zhongshan Chuzhile is a professional manufacturer for kitchen and bathroom storage products for over 9 years. We're located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, about 1.5 hours from Guangzhou Airport by car. With about 20,000 square meters of building area and many modernized machinery, we can provide you a wide range of kitchen and bathroom storage products in stainless steel or iron with chrome-plated finish, such as cabinet pull-out basket, kitchen accessories, kitchen storage rack, dish rack, fruit basket, bathroom shelf, cutlery holder, hook rail, shoe rack. Our products have obtained several scores of patents, and they have been widely distributed to the Middle East, Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and Africa. We can offer you about 100 new styles of products for our customers every year. And also, we can meet customers' different requirements. Each products we're selling to you are under strict quality control process. We do 100% test online. Thanks for the hard work of our 200 skillful workers, including the design and QC team. We do have the confidence to provide you the latest products that with high quality, competitive price, and fast delivery. That is why we can obtain the constant trust and support from our customers all over the world. To do business with us, you will not only get the high quality products and our best service, also you can get the true value of our products.